For the last several years, the most powerful artificial intelligence has lived exclusively in the cloud, on server farms operated by a handful of large technology corporations. This paradigm is now changing. The emergence of local large language models represents a fundamental shift in how we access and control powerful AI, moving it from a centralized service to a personal private tool. This video will explain the drivers behind this important trend and provide the foundational knowledge required to navigate this new landscape. The primary risk of using any cloud-based service is the loss of data control. When you input a query, whether it's a confidential business strategy, a personal journal entry, or a sensitive legal question, that information is sent to a third-party server. You are trusting that entity to handle your data securely and ethically. The significance of this risk was underscored by OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, who stated he would not be comfortable using a large language model for therapy. This admission from a key industry leader highlights a fundamental truth. There is an unavoidable privacy trade-off when using cloud-based AI for sensitive applications. Beyond privacy, this model creates dependency. Users are subject to the provider's terms of service, pricing changes, and potential outages. The tool you rely on is not truly yours. This establishes a clear need for an alternative that prioritizes user sovereignty. Fortunately, an alternative paradigm is maturing, the local large language model. This approach involves running the AI model directly on your own hardware. This shift is made possible by two key developments. First, the extraordinary increase in the computational power of consumer-grade GPUs has placed the necessary hardware within reach of individuals. Second, a robust open-source software ecosystem has been built to support it. The foundational piece of this ecosystem is llama.cpp, a software engine created by developer Georgy Jurganov. This project is the powerhouse that allows models to run efficiently on a wide range of consumer hardware. It is the core technology that applications like LM Studio are built upon. This local-first approach directly solves the problems of the cloud model. Data never leaves your machine, ensuring absolute privacy. The model operates offline, free from external dependencies. The tools to access this new ecosystem are now mature and user-friendly. Applications like LM Studio and Llama provide a graphical interface or command line access, respectively, acting as a control panel for the powerful llama.cpp engine running underneath. This trend toward open accessibility is growing. Even OpenAI recently released an open-source model named GPT-OSS, prompting the observation on social media that OpenAI is finally open AI, marking a significant cultural shift. When you use these tools, you will be presented with a list of models with specific naming conventions. To make an informed choice, you must understand what these names mean.
Let us analyze a typical model file name, llama 4b q4_k_m.gguf. The model name components can be broken down as follows. Llama, the name of the base model architecture. 4b, the model's original parameter count, 4 billion. GGUF, the container format, developed by Georgy Jurganov for his llama.cpp project. Q4_KM, the quantization code. Q4 specifies a 4-bit quantization. _K signifies the use of the K-quants method. _M stands for medium, indicating a balance between file size and performance.
Inside a tool like LM Studio, you manage and deploy these models across 4 main sections. Discover. Here, you search for models. The primary source is Hugging Face, the central repository for the AI community. My Models. Your downloaded models are stored here. Chat. Load a model and interact with it in this tab, completely offline. Developer. This is the most powerful section. It starts a local server on your machine. This server provides OpenAI-compatible API endpoints at localhost :1234, including v1/chat.completions, v1/completions, v1/embeddings. This feature is critical. It lets you connect your own applications and development projects to a private local AI. This is the gateway to building custom solutions and fine-tuning models. This capability, to go from simply downloading a model to running a local development server, is the bridge to this new era of applied artificial intelligence. The power is not just in chatting with a private AI, but in integrating it deeply into your own tools and workflows. This is why the focus is shifting from generic, one-size-fits-all chatbots to specialized, user-controlled systems. This technology enables you to fine-tune a model to become an expert in a specific domain, such as legal analysis or scientific research. You can provide it with your own secure data and context to perform highly specific tasks. The computational power that was once centralized is now being distributed, giving individuals and organizations an unprecedented level of control and capability. This is the future of personal computing, powerful, private, and purpose-built. So you can create an expert legal analyst, a personal writing assistant, or yes, maybe even that AI therapist Sam Altman was wary of. Only this time, you can do it without fear.